Hi everyone, this is a short screencast on week 2. As you can see, I have scrolled through the material and am now on discussion 2, careers in psychology. It looks like most everyone is posted by Tuesday evening, which is really important so that you have other people to discuss things with. I look for the first post by Tuesday evening and then 2 additional posts over the course of the week on 2 different days in order to optimize you to be eligible for full points. I'm not planning to be in the discussion this week. What I'm looking for are your responses to fellow students. Please avoid the one-line response. Do more of a paragraph, some thoughtful reaction to what the person posted originally, and then some questions or inquiries about further information that you might like to have, questions about what they had posted originally. So please continue to make your presence felt there in this particular discussion. Second discussion for the week is on our research paper. I want you to know and remember that each of these research paper discussions are earning points towards your final grade for the research paper. So the research paper is 200 points total, and 10 points of it is your participating in this discussion right here. So again, you want to post by Tuesday evening so I can look at what you're posting. I have read through everything so far, and I have a couple of comments. First of all, I want you to see, I've broken this down into various colored paragraphs, so to speak. This really itemizes and boils down the lecture, so to speak, of what I do in class. You really need to read this and pay attention to what I'm asking for. It will help you considerably when you're doing the post. First thing I noticed was that only the last 2 posts actually saved their work into a document the way I asked for it to be and posted then that document in the discussion. The reason I ask you to have a document is that you're going to evolve this document over the next 8 or 9 weeks to be your final research paper. So it really is a benefit to you as well as helpful to me that you use a document to write these things in and then post your document to the discussion. Save your document and then post that document in the discussion. Okay. Another thing that I want to point out here about this discussion is that it's all about in-text citations. If you highlight this link right here, it will bring you to OWL, which gives some awesome pointers on how to do in-text citations. Please look at numbers 6 through 10 to see some detailed information on how to create your in-text citation. Another thing that I usually do is I look through what people have posted so far and I see the student example that I think is closest to doing things correctly, and I pin that at the top of the discussion. So after Tuesday evening, I'll be looking for that, say Wednesday or Thursday, and I'll be pinning it. And what you need to do then is go back and make any corrections that should be made on your original post. Okay. Number 6 up here, I'm going to come back to that for just a moment, providing feedback. In this particular discussion, I want you to give feedback to 2 other people in the discussion. Typically, the person above and below you are the ones for you to target. If you go to one of those people and you notice that they already have 2 fellow students responding to them, then go ahead and attempt to find a different student to respond to. The goal is to have everyone get about 2 different responses from fellow students. It could be more than that. Sometimes a discussion gets going around a particular point, that's fine. But you want to make sure that you target 2 different people to give them some feedback so that everyone has some information to work with. Okay, please email me any questions.